Learn a word a day. 2nd March 2023. Level 1. Fireman. Parts of speech. Noun. Meaning. A person whose job is to stop unwanted fire from burning. Usage. Mr. Sam is a fireman. A fireman works in a fire station. Level 2. Blacksmith. Parts of speech. Noun. Meaning. A person who makes and repairs things in iron by hand. Usage. Mr. Giri is a blacksmith. A blacksmith repairs iron objects and horseshoes. Level 3. Baker. Parts of speech. Noun. Meaning. A person who makes or sells bread and cake. Usage. Mr. Kumar is a baker. Kumar sells delicious bread and cakes at his bakery. Level 4. Cashier. Parts of speech. Noun. Meaning. A person whose job is to receive and pay money in a bank, shop, or business. Usage. Mr. Kiran is working as a cashier in a bank. Miss Vani is a cashier in a stall. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.